my story friends. Today we are going to read Krishna's story, A Moment of Anger. The Mahabharata, the ancient Indian epic, has enlightening verses about a number of, perhaps all issues that affect our daily lives. It is replete with examples of how damaging negative emotions can be. Anger, particularly, is well exemplified and discussed in this epic. Here is the most beautiful description of why people shout when angry and whisper when loving. The author of this spiritual story is unknown and greatly appreciated. Once upon a time, there was a Hindu saint. He was very intelligent. One day, this Hindu saint was visiting river Ganges to take bath. He could hear voice of people shouting from a distance. He found a group of family members on the banks shouting in anger at each other. Stopped in front of this angry group of people. His disciples also stopped. He turned to his disciples, smiled, and asked, "Why do people in anger shout at each other?" Disciples thought for a while. One of them said, "Because we lose our calm, we shout." But why should you shout when the other person is just next to you? You can as well tell him what you have to say in a soft manner, asked the saint. Disciples gave some other answers, but none satisfied the other disciples. Finally, the saint explained, when two people are angry at each other, their hearts distance a lot. To cover that distance, they must shout to be able to hear each other. The angrier they are, the stronger they will have to shout to hear each other to cover that great distance. Harsh speech is bound to follow when we are angry. The saint further continued, what happens when two people fall in love? They don't shout at each other but talk softly because their hearts are very close. The distance between them is either non-existent or very small. The saint explained, when they love each other even more, for example, your best friend, what happens? They do not speak, only whisper when they get even closer to each other in their love, as your family members. Many a times, they even need not whisper. They only look at each other, that's all, and you understand whether they are sad or happy. Without uttering a word, you understand what they have to say. That is how close two people are when they love each other, adore, and respect each other's viewpoint. He looked at his disciples and said, "So, when you argue, do not let your hearts get distant. Do not say words that distance each other more, or else there will come a day when the distance is so great that you will not find the path to return. You will win the argument but lose the person forever." Anger is a weakness, but people think of it as a strength. In actuality, the person who does not display anger has more inner strength than the one who displays it. First, the sparks set you on fire and then you burn others. So that fire not only hurts you but hurts others as well. Defects of personality like anger, greed, jealousy, etc. cause harm not only to others but also to oneself. Hope you have enjoyed hope you have enjoyed the story. Please like the story and subscribe the channel Stories on Plate.